welcome to a Sunday morning reset day. It is 8:40 right now and I just woke up a few minutes ago. It's daylight savings, so we actually gained an hour, so it's actually 8 instead of 9. I'm currently stripping my bed because it is Sunday. Love to do laundry on this day. I have so much laundry, as you guys can see, so that is the first thing that we gotta go ahead and start the day with, and then I'm gonna get dressed. Then I'm gonna go ahead and prep some meal stuff because I have a slow cooker now, so I can go ahead and make some really, great homemade meals for this whole entire week. And then I'm gonna go ahead and work on some homework. But first, we gotta go ahead and get some laundry done. Alright, so I just finished doing the slow cooker meal, and now I gotta go ahead and clean up all these dishes because this place is just a train wreck right now. Alrighty guys, so it has been a while since I've last picked up the camera. My crock pot is cooking right now and it is almost 1 o'clock, and I've just been finishing up my homework and just chilling for the day. There's a couple more things I have to do for like my work study and just getting done with the whole entire week, but did my laundry. It's actually a really nice day outside, but unfortunately it's kind of chilly, and I finally got dressed too, so yeah, I'm just working on homework for the moment. Probably gonna go ahead and then get the food out of the slow cooker once it's done because it won't be time to eat yet because I was saving it for dinner. And yeah, but for now, just gonna be working on some homework. Have my amazing Mountain Valley water. This is the best water out there, one of my favorites. And yeah, just been relaxing. I have to go ahead and film some stuff on campus, like I said, for my work study. Good morning guys, it is Monday and it is, I don't even know it's almost 9 something, but we're getting ready to go to the gym obviously today because you guys know that Monday I always like going to the gym. Got a Quest bar for the road. I've been not really eating too much in the mornings recently. I don't know what it is, just mornings right now, haven't been eating too much breakfast. I'm usually a big breakfast girl though because I do like to have something in the morning. It is good for you. So got some new grip tape for my stick too, so I might put that on after, but I do have to run a couple errands after. I want to go to Target and get a couple of things. Target's addicting. If you go in there, you pretty much end up buying stuff that you don't need, so let's hope that doesn't happen to me. But let's go ahead and head to the gym. One of the things I love about this camera is that I can just set this thing pretty much anywhere and it can sit, which is amazing. Gotta go ahead and turn that ISO down a little bit. Man, we are overexposed. But yeah, anyways, gonna go ahead, head to the rink, aka the gym. I always like working out in the mornings just because I have class later in the afternoon, which might get canceled because of some political event. I don't know. Yeah, anyways, gonna go ahead and just take a few bites of this. I like to have something in my stomach before I work out because I feel like unless if I'm running, fasted working out, I don't know if that's really the best idea. I don't know, like just a couple of bites of this. Alright, let's go ahead and head to the freaking gym. I don't want to get copyrighted.